The words that you choose in your presentation will dictate whether your passion is genuine to an audience or whether they switch off. Here's a few tips. First of all, use I. Use me. Use the first person. Use first person singular, in fact. Talk about yourself. Talk from a genuine point of view. You can then broaden it to talk about we, us, include people. Use personal stories and anecdotes, things that are absolutely real to you. Don't try and pass off somebody else's story as yours. This is things that are actually part of your background, your experience, your history, shall we say. Think about words that convey authenticity, that convey enthusiasm without going over the top. It's very easy to get into, oh my God, it was amazing. This is utterly unique. This is just the most extraordinary thing that ever happened. Is it? Was it? Will your audience actually believe that? Yes, it might have been an amazing moment for you. It might have been an amazing moment for your business or your organization. But if you start going too much into superlatives, if you start using really huge, extravagant language, it can actually make it sound like you're, let's say, compensating for perhaps a lack of genuine passion. So yes, let your excitement come, because if this really was the most amazing moment for you, let that through. But if you just say, oh my God, this was earth-shattering, audiences don't buy it quite so much. So don't exaggerate. Don't always reach for the huge superlatives. And I'm going to pick up on one word I use there, which is unique. Was it unique? And by the way, you can't have degrees of uniqueness. It was quite unique. It was very unique. Doesn't work. It was either unique, an absolute one-off, or it wasn't. Might sound like pedantry, but it makes a difference. So, talk about yourself. Talk about us in the plural. Use personal stories and anecdotes. And choose your words wisely. Don't just reach for those huge superlatives. Talk with genuine enthusiasm, but don't exaggerate. And those will help to bring genuine passion to your presentation. Want more tips about how to bring passion to your presentation and speeches? Like and subscribe.